Congressman na Marcoleta eh. Ito, one. Pag ni-research nyo kung kailan siya na-contempt, ito lumalabas. Ayan. September 12. Correct. Tama, mali. Ayan. Garma, ganyan-ganyan. Ayan. So, diyan siya na-contempt. Okay? So, ito naman, yung pangalawa. Yung kung kailan siya nakalaya. Ito po'y balita ha. Hindi tayo sure kung kailan eksakto. Binalita lang po ito para lang siya kaalaman natin. Ito naman po. Garma and Leonardo, two resource persons of the House Mega Probe in the drugs were introduced, have already been released from detention. Kailan po yung balita na yan? Ayan po ay, ito, nakalagay dyan. Said in a media interview on November 8. Nakuha ko natin. Yan po yung, kasi while the unsure of